Namaskar students. Now today in this lecture also the same example we will solve using PMI. Okay. Exercise 3 question 1. Let matrix A 0 0 1 0 show that show that bracket A I plus B A power n equal to A power n into I plus n A raised to n minus 1 B A, where I is the identity matrix of order 2 and n is a natural number. So again here the power is n, as I told you in previous lecture that whenever the power is n we will use PMI, principal mathematical induction. So again let's write down the statement Pn, and the Pn is the question where something is given and something wish to prove. So here Pn is the matrix A 0 0 1 0, then A I B A raised to n equal to A raised to n I plus n A raised to n minus 1 B A, n is a natural number. Now step 1, step 2, step 3 one by one. So first is step 1. Put n equal to 1 in the statement, mean Pn. Okay. So we have two part in the left Pn. This is left side, this is right side. Okay, in the proven result. So this is left side. Put n equal to 1 in left side now first. So ai plus bi raised to n. Ai plus bi raised to 1 because n equal to 1. And is same ai plus b. Then right hand side. Put n equal to 1. So a raised to 1 I plus 1 a raised to 1 minus 1 a. Now a raised to 1 minus 1 is 0. So a raised to 0. A raised to 0 is 1. So 1 into 1 into a mean ba. So here b is missing. I write here b a. Okay. So here 1 into 1 into ba, so ba is remain. Here a into I is remain. So you see left side and right side same. So p of 1 is true because both are same. Okay, now step 2, assumption. So let assume that p of n means statement is true for n equal to k. So what happen when we put n equal to k in the statement? So the statement will be if a equal to 0 0 1 0, then ai plus ba power k equal to a raised to k I plus k a raised to k minus 1 into ba. K belongs to n, and this the statement of k, say result 1. Okay. Now step 3. In step 3, put n equal to k plus 1 in the statement. So first we put in the left side, and after that, after simplifying some step, we will show the right side. Okay. So this is left side. Put n equal to k plus 1. So in the power ai plus bi bracket raised to k plus 1. Now we separating the power, that's why the bracket are separate. So the one bracket is for k power and one bracket for 1 power. ai plus ba raised to k into ai plus ba raised to 1. Okay, now see in the result 1, and we replace the k power equals to a raised to ki plus k a raised to k minus 1 into b. So I write that thing, and into 1 power statement using statement 1. Okay. Now let's multiply these two. So we multiply both the thing here. That's why. Now first we multiply a raised to k into I with ai. So what happen? A raised to k, a. So total power of a is k plus 1. Okay. And I matrix with matrix multiply. So I square. Now plus a raised to plus k a raised to k minus 1 into ba multiply with ai. So sorry, a raised to ki multiply with ba. So what happened? A raised to k into b. First write real number, then matrix into matrix. So matrix I into matrix A means IA. Now we multiply this term with first term. So a power k minus 1 a. So total power of a is k minus 1 plus 1. What happened? K. So power of a is k. This is k. And b here a into I. A into I. So ai. Now this second term multiply with second term. Okay. So k a raised to k minus 1 b into b square a into a square. Now this is the step after multiplying both the bracket. Now little simplify. I square is I, we know I square is IA equal to AI equal to A. All the properties of identity matrix we know. So IA is A, AI is A, and what is A square? This is A square, matrix A into matrix A. A matrix is given in question. So matrix A into matrix A is 0 0 1 0 into 0 0 1 0. First row, first column, first row, second column. When you multiply both the matrices, you will get 0 matrix. So A square is 0 matrix. So instead of A square, we put 0 matrix. So whole entire multiplication will be 0 matrix. So I write only 0 matrix here. Okay. So after that, now a raised to k plus 1 into matrix I. Here a raised to k ba, a raised to k ba common. So what remain? K, here 1 remain, k plus 1. And a raised to k, we write a raised to k plus 1 minus 1. We write the term in form of k plus 1. So we compare with the right hand side. Okay. So see the right hand side now of the requirement. A power n, here a power k plus 1 into I plus n mean k plus 1, a power n mean k plus 1 minus 1 ba. So the result is also true for k plus 1. Okay. So thus by PMI, P of n is true for all natural number. Okay. So see the example and write down. Also in the homework you have to write example 12 of exercise 3 homework. And illustration 26. Illustration 26. You have to write homework because both are also the same method PMI here. This is calculated example and this you have to calculate. So all you have to write 2 times. Okay, thank you.